Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically mute a tab on Microsoft Edge. So for instance, you have some tabs opened up and one of them is playing and you don't know which one the tabs are and you just want to mute that so you can watch like another video. So we have this and like that. This is just an example, by the way. And then this one. And you want to mute a tab, so you're just going to right click on on a tab and you're just going to select mute tab or Control M on your keyboard to mute it. And to unmute it, just select Control M again and you can play the video and there's going to be an audio. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!